Day and Night Face Moisturizer provides skin with a daily dose of intense hydration that helps to fill in the appearance of lines and wrinkles and helps restore moisture for smoother, plumper skin. This lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer delivers hydration and moisture to all skin types, including sensitive skin, and absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky film, for smoother, nourished, younger-looking skin. Proven results. Overnight, skin is nourished with moisture. In 1 week of using this face moisturizer, skin feels smoother, and in 4 weeks of use, wrinkles appear more filled in. Replenish skin with collagen. Gift your skin a daily dose of hydration from L'Oréal Paris Anti-Aging Skincare. Whether face lotion, night eye creams, or moisturizers with SPF, they provide your skin essential moisture to keep skin healthy. Kickstart your routine. First, cleanse with Revitalift Derm Intensive's 3.5% pure glycolic acid gel facial cleanser. Treat under eye with Eye Defense Eye Cream, and hydrate day and night with Collagen Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Top reviews from the United States. Works so well. I actually forgot I had this in my medicine cabinet when I came across it again a few weeks ago. Between staying in the house more due to COVID and keeping the heat on this winter, my skin became very dry. Put this collagen filler on overnight and boom, wonderfully saturated skin by morning.